All right, here's your second Systems of Equations unit video. Systems of Equations with graphing. So here's what you're going to be doing. You are going to take the two equations they give you, and you're going to graph these. The first equation always goes with your blue line right there, and the second equation here always goes with your pink line. So just so you keep that straight. All right, so we're going to graph these. These are in y equals mx plus b format. So we're going to start with the intercept, then do the slope. And I'm going to quickly do that. You know how to do that. So when I graph these, this blue line had a y-intercept of -4, a slope of 1, so I graphed that. This one had a y-intercept of 2, a slope of 4, so up 4 over 1. And then where do those two lines intersect? You'll notice they intersected right here when x equals -2 and y equals -6. So x equals -2, y equals -6. Pretty simple. All right, next question. These two come to you in standard form. Remember, standard form is what times 8 equals 16? Well, 2. And what times -4 equals 16? Well, -4. So we simply graph those two. Remember, this is your blue line. This one's your pink line. So when we graph those, the blue line, we said the x-intercept was 2. We said the y-intercept on this one was -4, so that's my blue line. The red line or pink line, 2 times 8 is 16, so that is my intercept. And 4 times 4 is 16, so my y-intercept is 4. After you have those graphed, the two of these intercept right here when the x-coordinate is 2. So x-coordinate is 2 and the y-coordinate is 0. That's all there is to it, guys. Should be able to blow through this one. Have a great day. Bye-bye.